Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code Blocks. So in this video I want to download VS Code, the best code editor for if you are a coder, or you can create your own project of using PHP or using React.js or using any Angular JS. Okay, so you must have a VS Code installed in your computer. Okay, because VS Code is the best code editor. Okay, so first of all you have to go to your Chrome browser and just type VS Code. Just type download VS Code for Windows. Okay, download VS Code for Windows. डाउनलोड VS Code लिख लीजिए, ठीक है. And then just click on enter into the first available websites. Okay, now you can see see this type of interface coming for Windows or for Mac user. Okay, so you have to just download the installer. If your PC is 32-bit, then you can download 32-bit, or if your PC is of 64-bit, then you can just click on the 64-bit Windows. Okay, just wait some time. Okay, so your download will be started here, 8 to 2 MB. Okay, just wait for some time to download it. Okay, now comes here when download complete. Okay, just click on the exe file, that means the installer, and it will start installing your VS Code on your PC, and just wait for some times. Okay, and then you have to just click on the accept agreement. Okay, and then click next, and this is your default folder where your VS Code are present. Okay, inside this C section, or you can say the C drive. Okay, and it's need 325.7 MB. Okay, so your PC must be free of 325 MB, and then click on the next, and then again click on the next, and then you just click on the create a desktop icon, so that you can use it when you require, and you don't need to search in the search bar. Okay, and okay, just click on the next and then install. Okay, so just you have to wait sometimes to install VS Code on your PC. It takes very less time. Okay, if your PC is faster, then you can then it's install easily, very fast and quick. Okay, now click on the finish button. Okay, so it will completely successfully, you have completed successfully installed VS Code on your system, and the VS Code looks like just this. Okay, now comes here, click the extension button. Okay, and after extension you have to if you required Python, then just click here to add the Python extension to your VS Code. Okay, then from here you have to click and install Python extension to your VS Code, so that you can easily run Python on VS Code. And if you required HTML CSS to run on VS Code, then just click here and you have to install it. So HTML CSS support. Okay, you have to just install it, the extension. Okay, now you have completed the extension is enabled, so that now if you are getting any HTML file, then you can easily run on the VS Code. Okay, so that's all.